Welcome to Algebra Online. Now we're ready for the third type of word problem dealing with comparing numbers. Now this one is a little bit different in that we're dealing with two numbers, but we're not told what either one of them are. In other words, we're told that the larger number is 3 more than twice the smaller number, but we're not given the value of either one. But we are given some other relationship between them. We're told that the sum is 3 less than 5 times the smaller number. Now that is typically called the constraint. There's another piece of information that ties it all together. But first what we need to do is we need to identify the two numbers in terms of x. And typically we let x be the smaller of the two numbers. So we write let x equal the smaller number, which means we now have to express the larger number in terms of x. And we're told that the larger number is 3 more than twice the smaller number. So therefore, let 2x, which is twice as much as the smaller number, plus 3, because it says 3 more than twice the smaller number, equal the larger number. And since we don't know what x is, we can't solve the problem unless we're given another piece of information, where they tell us that the sum of the two numbers, the smaller number plus the larger number, is 3 less than 5 times the smaller number. So the sum is 3 less, so minus 3, subtracted from 5 times the smaller number. So the sum of the two is 3 less than 5 times the small number. All right, now we're ready to make an equation out of that. The sum of the two would be the small number plus the large number. So that would be x plus 2x plus 3. So that's the sum of the two numbers, which is equal to 5 times the small number, that would be 5 times x, minus 3 because it's 3 less than 5 times the small number. And now we have an equation where we can solve for x. So we first want all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So 5x goes over here, 3 goes over there, so we end up with x plus 2x minus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus 3. Combining like terms, we have plus 3 minus 5, that's minus 2x, is equal to minus 6. Divide both sides by negative 2, and we get x is equal to 3. Now we look and see what x represents. X represents the smaller number, so therefore that is equal to 3. 2x plus 3 equals a larger number, so 2x, that's 2 times 3, which is 6 plus 3 is a larger number. That means that's equal to 9. And now we can actually test to see if that's indeed correct. Is the larger number 3 more than twice the smaller number? Well, the larger number is 3 more than the small number, so twice the small number is 6 plus 3 is 9, so that checks. And then you can check with the second one saying the sum is 3 less than 5 times the smaller number. So is 3 plus 9, is that equal to 3 less than 5 times the smaller number? So that's the question mark. If that's true, then we found the correct answers. So the sum, 3 plus 9, is 12. That is equal to 5 times the smaller number, which is 15, minus 3, because it's 3 less than 5 times the smaller number. And sure enough, 12 equals 12. So it looks like we found the two correct values for the two numbers. And that's how it's done.